video part 2. I didn't introduce my dog Bria, for those who don't know her. I was just filming her for cuteness, but at the end of the last video she just got up and walked off screen because she saw her friend, so she got to go play. And now she's resting in the shade. But just to finish the video, when I close my eyes, I can see colors, or sometimes I see images. I see flowers often. And so sometimes I could ask what it means. Sometimes I get answers. Sometimes it's just to appreciate the beauty of the flower. Or you can look up the meaning of, spiritual meaning of the flower. But basically, a rose is a symbol of love and beauty. And they can bloom in the spring, in the summer. Even had roses blooming late into the fall last year. Okay, so now that I'm settled again and paying attention, I feel the pressure in my stomach once again, and it's bubbling up to my throat. So didn't quite figure everything out from that. But I'm also feeling tingling in the back of my left side of my head, which feels nice. It's a pleasant little thing, like if somebody was just touching you lightly with their finger. It just feels pleasant. And what I've learned from classes that I've taken, that actually for me is a sign that releasing some family line patterns that have come down on my mother's side. And yeah, we hold a lot of our stress in our stomachs. Kind of clench my stomach when I'm worried about something or stressed. But that's not good, because then can't get a deep enough breath. It's healthy to breathe into our abdomens, let our abdomens expand, let our diaphragm move down. If our stomach's tight and in the way, it gets restricted. We don't get enough oxygen, and our hearts don't get enough room, and the esophagus goes down from the throat to the stomach. Also, the throat is about speaking. So some things that are left unsaid can trap all of that energetically. But when we don't resolve things energetically, it gets trapped in our bodies, and then we end up feeling them physically. So I'm just taking some nice deep breaths, just showing compassion for myself, allowing myself just some time to breathe and not think about all the things that are going on. Okay, and now I'm thinking about using one of the tools that I learned from my teacher. It's called Deactivate and Elevate. So once we realize, what's going on in our body, or our emotions, or in our thoughts, can be ready to let go of them. There's a lot of ways to let go of them. I'm doing this for me and anybody else who is listening who might have a similar pattern. So we're going to deactivate the pattern and help just elevate to a higher place, more peaceful place. And if you would like some healing, all you have to do is say yes in your mind. And then I suggest just take some nice, deep, slow breaths. Okay, if anybody has any questions or would like to learn more, feel free to comment or reach out to me. Private, you can do a message on Facebook. Or you can even leave an anonymous comment on YouTube if you don't want your name there. But I hope this helps, and I hope that you have a beautiful day. You can enjoy some nature.